very sweet good morning to all. Myself Kuldeep Kumar from Standard 7. I am standing here to explain the topic measurement of temperature by thermometer. Firstly, I would like to thank my class teacher Sumesh sir as well as my principal sir to get me a wonderful opportunity to say something. So let's start. Heat. What is heat? Heat is the form of energy. And what is energy? Energy is the capacity to do work. The need of heat is identify whether an object is cold or hot. If it is possible to identify whether an object is cold or hot, yes, by measuring thermometer. Thermometer is a device used to measure temperature. You will very curious to know about temperature. Temperature is a comparable quantity and it is a degree of hotness and coolness of an object. Let's understand by an activity. This is a two beaker, this is a cold water and this is a hot water. Let's dip my fingers. This is a cold water and this is a hot water. So that is a comparable quantity and is called temperature. Thermometer. Thermometer has three types. First, clinical thermometer. In hospital, you might have seen a device used by doctor for measuring temperature of bodies. What is it? It is clinical thermometer, because clinical thermometer is used to measure the temperature of human body, not anything. Let's understand its structure. The clinical thermometer is fully made by glass. It has a bulb at one end. Bulb contains mercury. It has a clink. The work of clink is look like a gate. When bulb touch any human body, clink allowed to pass mercury, and outside the clink a small shining thread called measuring scale are present, which can be seen the temperature. So that is the function and structure of clinical thermometer. Then we discuss the range of clinical thermometer. The range of clinical thermometer is 35 degrees Celsius to 42 degrees Celsius. Why the range of clinical thermometer is 35 degrees Celsius to 42 degrees Celsius? Because the temperature of human body normally cannot go below 35 degrees Celsius or above 42 degrees Celsius. So it has the range of 35 degrees Celsius to 42 degrees Celsius. If we use clinical thermometer, we also take some precautions. What are the precautions? First, after and before use, we dip into an antiseptic solution, because the germs of one body cannot be goes to the another body. Second, ensure that the level of mercury in thermometer always below 35 degrees Celsius. Third, don't hold thermometer by its bulb. Fourth, if thermometer can touch any hard object and break, then mercury fall on it, or mercury is very toxic substances. The disposal of mercury is very serious problem. Fifth, by avoiding place the thermometer near sun or etc., then it may break. Thank you. This is the clinical thermometer from explaining laboratory thermometer. I would like to call Vyasis. Vyasis, please come.
Namaskar to all. Today we learn about laboratory thermometer. What is laboratory thermometer? Is it same as clinical thermometer? So let's begin. Laboratory thermometer is used to measure the temperature of any object. In lab, there are two types of reaction held now. First, exothermic, which is in the form of positive. Second, endothermic, which is in the form of negative. Negative temperature cannot be able to measure by clinical thermometer, so we use laboratory thermometer. It has the range between -10 degrees Celsius to 100 degrees Celsius. You can see that this is -10 degrees Celsius to 100 degrees Celsius. So laboratory thermometer has range of -10 degrees Celsius to 110 degrees Celsius. Thank you. Then I call Ronak to explain digital thermometer.
Namaskar to all. First of all, I would like Bhaiya Ashish to thanks to calling me to say about the digital thermometer. In this thermometer, electric circuit is used. In this thermometer, mercury is absent because mercury is a toxic substance and it is very difficult to dispose to mercury. Each temperature given number so prevent error reading. It is small in size, so easy to transport everywhere. After giving the temperature in this thermometer, a big like sound curve which knows the percent that measuring of the temperature has been completed. These digital thermometer are used everywhere. It consists of a small computing system and a register. Digital thermometer are safer than compared to clinical thermometer. Thank you.